Hey, I just wanted to show you this, make a video for you guys to maybe save you some time. I just bought this hose kit replacement for my kitchen faucet. It's a Delta faucet, and the only thing they have at the store is a universal kit, right, which is this thing. And so I dumped it out, and all these parts are here. And so I'm just trying to figure out what part I need. And so, you know, just looking at these two ends, I can see this thing right here is pretty much identical. So that's good. This is going to be fast. So I can screw that on. I'm going to have to put Teflon tape on it, right? I just want to get it out of the way because I have all these other parts here and I don't know what's what, and you know what I can use them for. And the instructions they're pretty good. You have to read what type of connection you have, right? So this is for a sprayer with a 5/8 inch 18 UNF female thread. I don't know what that means. I have something that's pretty big female thread, and so this little nut right here screws into it. So it seems like that one is what I need. And so I've been working with all these parts for probably a half an hour, and then decided to look at these instructions. And amazingly, in here there are the parts that I need. And what these instructions say here are that there's a little O-ring about the size of this one that needs to go down inside, and you can't see it because it's so dark, way down inside there. And then there's a larger one, and there's only one in the whole kit that goes in not quite as far. And then you take this part and that nut, you screw this thing onto the end of the hose. No. See, it's all confusing. Insert the large O-ring into the bottom of the groove of the fitting, which I did, I told you about. The large O-ring will prevent the barrel nut from falling out of the fitting. Insert the small O-ring into the groove of the fitting, that's way down in there. Push the fitting into the sprayer. Okay, so just taking this now and pushing it in there, you can feel the resistance of the big O-ring. Oh, I just felt it go past it. And I'm assuming it goes onto that little lip right there. And then the next thing it says is push the fitting into and hand tighten the barrel nut threads into the sprayer. So now when I take this thing, uh-oh, not going over it. See how there's that larger O-ring that came out with it. And don't forget, there's still a little O-ring way down in there. Okay, so this nut needs to go over top of this first. See, because it doesn't slip by. And then I can wiggle this on. Happy Father's Day, by the way, if you're a father. If you're not a father, you probably got another day that you can celebrate. There. There, see, now it's in there again, and now you can see that this little nut right here is going to push up against that O-ring, and now I can't pull that out. So I just thought I'd save you some time. I just spent a half an hour figuring that part out, and I got to get some Teflon tape on here, some on this other end, and get my Delta faucet working again. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them on my YouTube channel, and I wish you'd subscribe so you can see more tips like this to save you time and money. Thanks. My name's Keen.